What if downloading a full-length 4K movie took less than a second? Or doctors could perform surgery on patients thousands of miles away with perfect precision. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of 6G technology, already being developed in labs worldwide. 6G represents the sixth generation of wireless communication technology, not just an incremental upgrade from 5G, but a complete reimagination of how networks function. Unlike previous generations, focused primarily on faster speeds, 6G aims to create a seamless integration between physical and digital worlds, what experts call the cyber-physical continuum. Following the typical 10-year development cycle, commercial deployment is expected around 2030. Major companies like Samsung, Nokia, and Ericsson have already launched 6G research initiatives. While 5G aims to deliver peak speeds of 10 gigabits per second, 6G is projected to reach an astonishing 1 terabit per second, 100 times faster. This will be achieved by utilizing higher frequency bands in the terahertz range, far beyond 5G's sub-6 gigahertz and millimeter wave frequencies. 5G targets latency of around 1 millisecond, but 6G aims to reduce this to just microseconds, potentially as low as 0.1 milliseconds. For applications like autonomous vehicles or remote surgery, these microsecond reaction times could be life-saving. 6G networks will support approximately 10 million devices per square kilometer, a tenfold increase from 5G's capacity. This massive increase will finally enable the true vision of the Internet of Things. 6G will be the first truly AI-native wireless generation, with artificial intelligence embedded at every layer of the network architecture. While 5G networks typically collect information externally for AI processing, 6G will have built-in AI capabilities, enabling autonomous decisions at every level. This represents a fundamental shift from centralized to distributed intelligence. The network becomes not just a passive conduit for data, but an active, intelligent system that can predict needs, allocate resources, and solve problems autonomously. The ultra-high bandwidth and near-zero latency will enable truly immersive, extended reality. Virtual meetings will evolve from video calls to holographic communications, where three-dimensional representations of people can be projected into a room, creating interactions indistinguishable from physical presence. The autonomous vehicle revolution will reach full maturity with 6G. Ultra-reliable, low-latency communication will enable real-time coordination between vehicles, infrastructure, and pedestrians. Cars will communicate their intentions, predict potential hazards, and coordinate movement to optimize traffic flow and safety. Remote surgery will become commonplace, allowing specialists to operate on patients thousands of miles away with perfect precision. Wearable and implantable medical devices will continuously monitor patients' vital signs, sending real-time data to healthcare professionals and AI systems that can analyze patterns and predict health risks. The distributed nature of 6G creates an expanded attack surface with numerous potential entry points for malicious actors. The decentralized architecture complicates the enforcement of consistent security policies. The deep integration of AI introduces novel security vulnerabilities. Machine learning models can be susceptible to adversarial attacks, where subtle manipulations to input data can cause the AI to make incorrect decisions. The exponential increase in data collection facilitated by 6G networks introduces significant privacy challenges. As Nokia Bell Labs researchers note, a 6G network will be able to locate a person's precise position in a room, as well as track their habits. This level of data collection creates serious privacy implications. The development of 6G has become a focus of intense global competition. China, the United States, European Union, Japan, and South Korea have all launched major 6G initiatives, recognizing the strategic importance of leadership in this transformative technology. In February 2024, 10 countries, including the United States, Japan, and several European nations, released a joint statement endorsing principles for 6G, secure, open, and resilient by design, reflecting the growing recognition of 6G's strategic importance. 6G represents far more than just faster internet. It's a fundamental reimagining of connectivity that will transform our relationship with technology and each other. Through unprecedented speeds, intelligence, and integration capabilities, 6G will enable a seamlessly connected cyber-physical world where the boundaries between digital and physical reality blur and ultimately disappear. The journey to 6G has already begun, and its ultimate destination is nothing less than a comprehensive transformation of how we connect, communicate, and experience the world around us.